Hello everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching another one of our Soapy Time adventures. My name is Lynette and I am one of the owners of the Skin Candy. Today we are going to be working on our St. Patrick's Day themed soap. So for this fragrance, I found this called Green Clover and Aloe. And it is a fragrance by Nature's Garden. I read the reviews and did quite a bit of research, and it said that it works perfectly in cold processed soap. No acceleration, no ricing. We will see. I am working pretty cold today, and the last batch I made when I added my lye water got really thick really fast. So I'm actually hoping that the green clover and aloe will loosen up the batter. For colorants today, doing something a little bit different. I didn't have like a clover green or a green that I wanted with Mad Micas. So I was looking through my stash and found this. This is Aztec's or candlemaking.com. This is their fruit green. If it's still available, we will leave it in a link below in the description box. I believe I may have gotten this when it was on a clearance, so I don't know if they still have it available. But it was just a little sample pack. We're going to try it. I've never used Aztec's micas before. I've used a lot of their fragrances and their wax, but I've never used their micas, so we'll see how it goes. I've already melted down my oils and my butters. Like I said, we're soaping really cool today in about the 70s, so my oils are a little murky and cloudy, and that's okay. That's just fine. It's just what happens with oils when they get cool. And to my lye water, I have added some Tessa Silk and some sodium lactate. Sodium lactate just helps get the hardens the bar a little bit. It helps, it gives it a shiny look, but it also helps to get it out of the silicone molds a little bit easier. So for the design, I am going to be doing a green and white swirl, just an in the pot swirl. But what I've done is I have made a gazillion, I swear, of these embeds. And these were just on a silicone mold that I bought. I believe I got this at Joann's. Either Joann's or Michael's, can't remember the one for sure. And just did some melt and pour soap, some green mica, and I have just put these together. I've kind of stuck them together when they came out. Some of them they stuck together, some of them not. I have figured I need 17 for each row. My plan was to do 3 rows, but my mold won't hold that. So what I'm planning on doing, if I can, I don't know if I can, if you can see this, I'm going to put a row in the bottom here after laying a little bit of soap. I'm going to do a row here, and then I'm going to pour over the top of it, and then I'm going to do another row right here, and then we'll mound the top. I'm going to mound the top a little bit, and then we'll do probably a little bit of a gold drizzle. I have a little bit left over of this Sister Golden Hair mica from Mad Micas, dispersed in oil that I had from another project. So I may go ahead and just use that as a drizzle on the top. We're going to see how it goes. Let's cross our fingers. You're going on a brand new adventure with us, as I have never used this fragrance before. I have never actually, except for one other time, put an embed, and that was just our heart embed from our Heartbeat soap. I've never put this many embeds in this soap before. So we will see how this goes. I'm feeling hopeful. So let's just get going. I have my colloidal oats and my kale and clay in here ready to be dispersed. And let's get that mixing up and let's get soaping. Well, for better or for worse, we'll see how the cut goes. Here we have our St. Patrick's Day soap. It could be a St. Patrick's Day nightmare. I will see. Maybe it'll turn out to be the cutest soap we've ever made. We will be back in 18 to 24 hours for the cut. Until then, we'll see you later.